Virginia Beach is no stranger to motorcycle accidents. We commonly see them, tourist season or not, locals or visitors, they commonly occur in Virginia Beach. Especially during the summertime, it's not hard to imagine someone wanting to smell that open ocean air, feeling it whip through their hair, and getting a sense of the beach. Oftentimes motorcyclists forget that there are other very, very dangerous vehicles on the road, and that operator of those big vehicles may not be paying attention to a small motorcyclist like you that may not even be visible. Motorcyclists are especially vulnerable to even the slightest accident, the smallest rock that skips up that's kicked back by a truck or just by a drunken motorist. So whether you're a local or a tourist, if you have been injured in a motor vehicle accident, you need to call Virginia Beach Injury Law and get a hold of me so that I can handle your case aggressively, assertively, and get you the compensation you deserve.